Okay, these are layer chicks. At this age, when they are young, we call them pullets. When they are matured and start laying, we call them layers. So like in broilers, these birds come in different breeds. This is from Agrited Nigeria Limited. This breed is called Highline, Hyline. This is Highline. It's from Agrited. So a well-fed layer chick will begin to lay as from 4 months of age. Some lay from 16 weeks. Some lay from 16 weeks. But basically, on the average, they begin to lay at 18 weeks, and they will lay for 1 year or even 1 year, 6 months. So they produce eggs. They produce eggs. So these are, so we have other than Highline breeds of layers, we also have Isa Brown. Isa Brown is the most common breed of layer in Nigeria. Before now, we have had Lowman Brown. Lowman Brown. We have also had Novogene in the past. So sometimes, due to market request and demand, new breeds of layer are introduced, and certain breeds are taken off from the market if it does not meet the market requirements.